Hello everybody, happy Thursday evening. I am so happy you're here with me. If you have not been with me before, my name is Allison Murphy and I am going to be talking to you tonight about concealer and a lot of things that you may not know about concealer. So if you are watching this on the replay, make sure you say hello so I know you are here, and also tell me where you are. Are you at your house? Are you in your bedroom? Are you getting ready for bed? Where are you? Give me an idea. And if you are watching this on the replay, then you can fast forward about 30 seconds so that you don't have to, you can get right to it. If you are joining me live, hello, make sure that you are here and saying you're here so that I know and I can say hello to you. Any questions or comments that you guys have during this live, just make sure you put them in the comment section and I will make sure that I answer everything and anything that you guys want to know, okay? I am going to be talking tonight about something that we have had a ton of questions about, and makeup in general is something that a lot of my customers ask me about and really want to know about. And so I wanted to do something tonight that was just real simple and real basic, starting off with concealer. And there are a lot of things about concealer that a lot of people don't know. So I wanted to kind of give you a little 411 on concealer and what it can do for you. So first of all, let's talk about the benefits. The benefits of concealer, and I've got a couple here to show you guys, but the benefits of concealer is that it's buildable, which is awesome, right? So any concealer that you have, you can build with other types of foundation. So it's going to give you more of a coverage, more of a full coverage if that is something you're looking for. And this goes whether you wear makeup every day or whether you wear makeup, once a month when you go on a date or when you, go somewhere in general. And so it doesn't have to be just for people who love to wear makeup and wear makeup every day. So it's buildable. It works with your foundation to provide that really full coverage that you want and desire. Another really great benefit of it is that it covers things that most of the time are pain points for us, right? So it covers up things like acne or hyperpigmentation or dark circles. One of the best benefits of concealer that people use it for is to really cover up the dark circles underneath their eyes, because it brightens your eyes and it makes your eyes look more refreshed and more awake. It also is really going to camouflage any pigmentation, and I'm going to show you guys in just a second. I had terrible acne when I was in high school, and because of that, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation on my cheeks, well, pretty much everywhere on my face because my acne was everywhere. But I have a lot of redness all over my face because of that hyperpigmentation from way back, over 20 years ago now, when I was in high school. So these are all things that concealer can really help with. Like I said, whether or not it's something that you wear every single day or something that you just pull out when you are doing something special. So now I want to talk to you about how to apply it, because there's another really big misconception about this. So I have two types of concealer here that I just wanted to pull out and show you. And if you notice, they're also two different colors. I'm going to talk about that in a second too. So this is my pink brightening concealer, and this is my regular concealer. It's a medium beige color. And so I don't often use my pink brightening concealer, but this would be for anyone who has those dark circles underneath your eyes. If you're a mama like me and you don't get a lot of sleep, then you probably have dark circles. And so something like a pink brightening concealer can really help you to camouflage that, make you look more awake, and just make you look brighter overall. I'm going to show you with my medium beige concealer how it should be applied. And so a lot of people will use a beauty blender when they are using concealer. Now, this is a personal preference. I don't like the beauty blender, and the reason I don't is because I feel that any one of them that I've ever used absorbs too much of the product. And I don't feel like it keeps it in place. I feel like it pulls it out. So it's really not doing its job. I feel like most of the concealer ends up on here instead of on your face where it's supposed to. So I tend to go more for like the brush style. I don't even know what this is called, to be honest with you, but I got this, you guys, at Five Below. I was there randomly one day and I saw this. I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. And if you look, this is not dirty. This is just a two-toned color brush. And it is literally, they're bristles, which is really cool, but it also works really well when you blot the concealer. So I'm going to show you how I use it. The first thing you want to know when you're using concealer is that you don't want to, first, let me back up. With concealer, a little goes a long way, okay? You don't need a lot. And I think that's one of the first mistakes that people make. You don't need a lot of concealer. A little tap and then blend it out and see what that gets you. You can always add more, but you cannot take it off unless you wash your face. So you want to, I'm gonna show you, I'm getting close to this camera and that is scary for me, so be kind. I have, let's see here. Let's go right up here. Okay, we'll go with this guy, right? So there's just a little tap. Now, instead of using that stinking beauty blender, I'm gonna take my awesome brush and I'm just going to dab. That's all I wanna do is just dab it. You don't want to brush it either way, up or down. You just want to tap it. And if you don't wanna use a tool either, you don't have to, because one of the coolest things about concealer is that you can use your fingertips. And as you use your fingertips, the warmth from your finger is really going to warm up the concealer, which is going to help it spread easier. So you don't have to use any kind of tool. You can simply use your fingertips if that's something that you want to do, okay? So I'm just tapping right where I put the concealer, and I probably could add a little bit more, but I don't really know that I need to. And after I'm done with that spot, you don't see my mark anymore. So making sure that you're putting it on in the appropriate way is probably one of the biggest pieces of value that I can give you. You only want to tap it. Don't rub your concealer, okay? Now, the other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about real quickly is that there are different colors of concealer. And depending on the concerns that you have with your skin is the color that you want to go with. And as always, I've created a freebie for you. It's one of my favorite freebies that I've created so far. So if you are watching this in my group and you want that freebie sent over to you, comment freebie. I will make sure that I email it right over to you, because it's going to give you all of the colors of concealer that are offered and what each of those concealers does for your skin. So it's really a great guide for you to be able to say, okay, I have hyperpigmentation in my skin, and that's something that I really would like my concealer to address. Which color concealer should I have in order to tackle that issue? And so that is what my freebie is going to do. I will send it right over to you once you ask me for it. If you are watching this on YouTube or Instagram, there is also a link down below if you would like the freebie, so go ahead and click on that. And if you have any questions whatsoever about what colors you should get or how to apply it, this can go underneath your foundation, so make sure you put it on first and then you can put your foundation over it. It's gonna look flawless. It's gonna provide you with really great full coverage that I think you'll be really happy with. So Let me know if you would like the freebie. And that's all I got for you. I hope you guys got something out of this. Please let me know in the comments if you got some value from it. And I hope you guys have a great Thursday evening. Have a good night. Bye.